Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Inside Out 2 movie characters as birds. Joy. Joy as a bird.
Hi, I'm Joy. I'm here to make you happy. Hi, I'm Joy.
Disgust. Disgust as a bird.
I'm disgust. Don't touch me, germs are gross. I'm disgust. Broccoli's what
Envy. Envy as a bird.
I'm envy. Whoa, whoa, catch your hair. I'm envy.
Sadness. Sadness as a bird.
I'm sadness. The saddest around. I'm sad.
Anxiety. Anxiety as a bird.
I'm anxiety. I'ma make you feel stressed. I'm anxiety.
Ennui. Ennui as a bird.
I'm ennui. And I'm bored. I'm ennui.
Anger. Anger as a bird.
I'm anger, and I'm always angry.
Nostalgia. Nostalgia as a bird.
I'm nostalgia. I remember them good old days. I'm nostalgia.
Lance/Blade. Lance/Blade as a bird.
Cause I've been waiting for you to come back to me.
Embarrassment. Embarrassment as a bird.
Embarrassment, but I still try. Stomach flip.
Fear. Fear as a bird.
I'm fear, and I'm always scared. I'm fear. I'm scared.
Now would you rather Inside Out 2 edition? Would you rather join Team Disgust and Envy or Team Anxiety and Fear? Who is more sweet, Bong or Embarrassment? Would you rather deal with anxiety alongside joy or anxiety alongside anger? Rewatch Inside Out 1 or rewatch Inside Out 2? Let me know in the comments. Would you rather keep the existing emotions or have the new emotions? Would you rather move to new city or stay in your hometown? Would you rather explore Imagination Land or visit Dream Production? Who is cuter, Envy or Embarrassment? I love Envy. What about you? Would you rather forget your parents or forget your friends? Which character do you like more, Sadness or Ennui? Pick one, kick one, Bong's drink or Envy drink. Be friends with Riley or be friends with Val Ortiz. Would you rather go ice skating or play ice hockey? Would you rather be able to control your anger or control your anxiety? Which character do you like more, Bloofy or Lance/Blade? Would you rather delete your sad memories or delete your embarrassing memories? Date a handsome guy or date a sweet guy? Would you rather fly on Bing Bong's rocket or fly on Sadness Cloud? Never being sad again or never being angry again? Would you rather meet your emotions or meet your childhood imaginary friend? Fall into the memory dump or being trapped in a bucket? Would you rather dress as Joy or dress as Disgust? Let me know in the comments. Have purple hair or have blue hair? Who is more similar to you, Embarrassment or Ennui? Inside Out 2 movie characters and their favorite fruits. Joy. Bananas. Disgust. Avocados. Sadness. Blueberries. Anger. Apples. Anxiety. Orange. Ennui. Dewberry. Envy. Lime. Nostalgia. Coconuts. Embarrassment. Raspberries. Fear. Grapes. Thanks for watching this video. Now go ahead and pick your next challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe the challenge quiz.